वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. Today's message comes from the sacred space of Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar, but its real destination is your inner world. You can speak sweetly, praise others, look spiritual, but still be a thief. Yes, because today's Hukamnama is not talking about the robber outside, it's talking about the thief within you. The thief? The thief is a dishonest mind, a mind that pretends, manipulates, seeks validation, lives in duality. Today's Hukamnama is by Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji at tongue 662 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji in Rag Tanasri, Tanasri Mahalla Pehla. Guruji says, Chor salahe cheet na piche, which means if a thief praises someone, his mind is not pleased. So Guruji says in first words, praise doesn't purify you. Because if you praise someone but inside you feel jealousy, now this is called emotional duality. In physics, when two opposite forces act in different directions, the system becomes unstable. Same within you. Outer praise plus inner jealousy is equal to inner friction. So what's the result? No peace. Now in second words, Guruji says, Je badi kare ta tasu na chije, which means if a thief curses him, no damage is done. So this means that criticism doesn't harm the truth. If your truth is real, no criticism can touch it. Truth is like a constant in mathematics. No matter what variables, now variables is opinions, what variables you add, the constant remains unchanged. The constant remains unchanged, untouched. So if someone criticizes you, ask yourself, am I reacting because they are wrong or because they are right? Now in third words, Guruji says, चोर की हामा परे ना कोई. चोर की हामा परे ना कोई, which means no one will take responsibility for a thief. So now this is a very powerful verse which says no one supports a dishonest mind. So when you live in dishonesty, you lose trust, you lose support, you lose alignment. Even your mind stops supporting you. That's why people feel, I don't feel like doing anything. I feel stuck. Because inside the system is corrupt. Now in the next verse, Guruji says, Choru kiya changa kyun hoye? Which means, how can a thief's actions be good? So this verse says, wrong actions can never create right results. So here's simple but brutal truth. You cannot build a peaceful life on a restless mind. You cannot build trust through manipulation. You cannot build success through shortcuts. So here's life equation. Input means intent is equal to output means experience. If intent is impure, output will carry disturbance. Now, next verse is a turning point. Sun man ande kutte kuriyar, which means listen, O mind, you blind, false dog. So as I told you, this is a turning point. This is not an insult. This is a wake-up call. So here blind is equal to unaware. False is equal to inauthentic. Dog is equal to running after desires. So the mind is running but doesn't know where and why. The next verse is a big realization. Guruji says, Bin bole boojiye satyar rahao, which means even without your speaking, The Lord knows and understands. So, this big realization says you don't need to explain yourself to the universe because your vibration speaks louder than your words. Now, here's a quantum distinction. Like in quantum field theory, everything is energy and energy cannot hide. So, your intention is already broadcasted everywhere. So, now let's implement today's beautiful Hukamnama in various important areas of our life. For example, first in relationships, stop fake appreciation, start genuine connection. Then in career, how you can apply, don't impress, express your real capability. In your health, dishonest habits is equal to delayed disease. And in spirituality, this is also one important area. No pretending, no performance, only alignment. So all of us need to remember that inner integrity is greater than outer image. Then we need to remember truth is constant, opinions are variables. Energy cannot lie. Who you are is greater than what you say. And alignment is equal to peace. So here's one small assignment for you. Now this assignment is called the honesty mirror. So today observe 3 situations. First, when you praise someone, was it 100% real? Then second, when you felt triggered, what truth did it show? And third, one place where you are pretending, write it honestly. At night, sit quietly and say, today I choose truth over image. And just feel it. No drama, no guilt, just awareness. You don't need to become perfect. You just need to become real. Because the moment you become real, the thief disappears and the truth begins. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Sarbat Da Pala, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.